Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Go to Shenzhen today to eat, drink and have fun. It's morning now. Have breakfast first. Eat enough before going to the next stop. Let's dine here. A long-established Halo restaurant. Halo Cantonese morning tea. I don't know if it's different from Hong Kong style. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and there are no side dishes served yet. Try dim sum. Sichuan style somai. Mutton dumplings. Fried beef rice noodle. Roasted lamb loin. Red willow mutton skewers. This is mutton dumpling. This is Sichuan style somai. Try the mutton dumplings first. The dumpling skin is thick and there is very little filling. Mutton has no bad smell. Ordinary. There are about 20. The price is only over 30. Try somai. Quite special, it adds spicy shrimp somai. The somai skin is a bit tough, good standard. Somai price 36. Mutton dumplings price 36. We come in at 9 o'clock. It's already 9:52. Only had 2 dishes. Very hungry. Serving a bit slow. But there are also advantages here. The air conditioner is cool enough. Hong Kong people are more afraid of heat. The air conditioning here is cool enough, but the food was served too slowly and I was very hungry. Red willow mutton skewers price 28. Roast lamb loin $38. Not much portion. Try the mutton first. Tasty. A hint of cumin. Meat is fresh and sweet. Tastes good. Not much juice, but the seasoning is excellent. But the price is a bit expensive. Only 6 pieces of mutton for $28. Try lamb loin. The lamb waist must not have a smell of mutton. Otherwise it will fail the test. Very well seasoned, but still smells bad. Don't recommend this. Cancel it because I've been waiting for an hour. No more. We enter the store at 9 o'clock. Leave at 10:15. Check out over 160. Cancelled fried beef rice noodle. Tasty. This restaurant serves food too slowly. The taste is not bad, not good value for money. I probably won't come again. Eat somewhere else to compensate. Enter Xiongxi Village. $15 a pound. These only cost 5 yuan. Try how it tastes. Textured is chewy, slightly spicy and delicious. The price, performance ratio and satisfaction are higher than the restaurant just now. Really tasty. Must try if you pass by here. Crispy sauce pancake. Finish breakfast, use an app to call the car and go to the small racing track. Starting from Xiongxi Village to SGP Karting Club, the fare is less than renminbi 30. It's right next to Kingshui River First Road. Although the area is not large, but the equipment is very new. Plus air conditioning. No need to be exposed to the sun or rain. There is a tea restaurant. Can dine here. You only need more than 200, and you can play 2 quarters. Each quarter is 8 minutes. After playing go-kart, go eat beef hot pot. There are 2 types of shock sauce. Sweet satay sauce on the left. On the right is spicy shock sauce. Both are very delicious. I visited this store a few months ago. After playing the little racing car, I was very hungry. You must eat this hot pot. Tasty. Ordered the original beef offal soup base. New Bay. This is top quality beef. This is beef brisket. This is brisket butter. This is dry fried beef noodles. I tried the fried beef rice noodle last time and it was delicious. Drink soup first. The color of the soup is transparent. There seems to be no material at all, but it has a strong beef bone flavor. This soup tastes very good. Use it to cook food to enhance the freshness and sweetness. Try beef offal first. This is tripe. It is recommended to dip it with shock sauce. This sauce tastes great. The tripe is very crispy. This is beef intestine. Delicious. Beef offal only has tripe and intestines, no other parts. Tasty. Because it is cut very thin. It only takes 10 seconds to cook and you're ready to eat, dipped in satay sauce. Rich meat flavor. The texture is tender and smooth. And with the addition of satay sauce, the taste is first class. Try New Bay. Cook for about 15 seconds. I prefer sweet shock sauce. Photographer likes spicy shock sauce. Everyone has different preferences. Rich meat flavor and crispy texture. I will add another disc later. Beef brisket is pre-cooked, so we can eat by turning the hot canal. I thought its texture would be tougher, but it's very soft and smooth. There is a small amount of beef tendon on the edge, not bad. This is brisket fat. Boil it for about 10 seconds and you can eat it. This restaurant also has shortcomings. There are no preferential packages from Dianping, but the original price is very economical. It only costs more than $200 for now. The texture is very crispy, but the meat flavor is not strong. It's also very delicious. Try the stir-fried beef noodles. This is the size of large, and added chili. Try beef first. The quality of the beef in this shop is not bad. Added chili, it tastes better. Dry and refreshing. It tastes better than the fried beef rice noodle I had last time. Not full enough, add another plate of beef balls, put in soup. This is braised beef tendon. Try its taste. The sauce is very rich. The beef tendon will not be too soft, still maintains a proper chewing feel. It will break if you bite lightly. Very delicious, tastes great. Try beef balls. Very flexible. Lots of gravy. Combined with satay sauce, the effect is first class. In summary, for beef hot pot, I will only recommend this restaurant. The name of the store is Xiaoyu Beef Hot Pot City. High quality beef. The soup base is rich in flavor, but the air conditioner is not cool enough. There are no preferential packages from Dianping either. But the original price is not expensive. We ate a lot. More than 300 in total. Very cost-effective. Gaomu and Bahali are not recommended. In the evening, we went to Liji Zhangguang Oyster House for dinner near Guomao Station. Using Dianping, I purchased a set meal for 2 for only 169. The set includes lemon tea and fried rice noodles. A lot of portion. The standard of fried rice noodles is high. Ingredients include ham, carrots, sprouts, and eggs. Seasoning is excellent. Dry and non-sticky. Very tasty, with a wok flavor. A serving of grilled large shrimps, 5 skewers in total. Try how it tastes. The seasoning on the surface is delicious. Slightly spicy. Delicious. Delicious meat. Standard is high. Grilled shrimp shells until crispy. Excellent taste. I can't tell what seasonings were used. Slightly spicy and very delicious. This is chicken crispy bone. There are 5 skewers in one serving. This is less spicy flavor. The shrimp just now was so delicious. In comparison, this one becomes ordinary. This chicken cartilage has a lot of meat. This is garlic grilled oysters. Size is a bit small. If it tastes good, it can also be compensated. Taste good. Rich oyster flavor, firm and juicy meat. It is just that the size is a bit small and not satisfying enough. The taste is very good. This is iron pot baby cabbage. The ingredients include garlic and chili. You have to wait until it is cooked before you can eat it. This is tofu wrapped in milk. Only garlic and chili are seen, not tofu, fried tofu. Add an alcohol stove to the iron pot to maintain its temperature. Try the taste. Very hot to the mouth. The taste is very surprising. Want to eat again. It turned out to be the most delicious thing in the whole night. Really delicious. Crispy skin. Tender and smooth inside. Paired with its sauce, the effect is first rate. End of today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and click the notification button. Never miss video updates. Thank you all.